Hello dear friends, on this video I want to show you how to install macOS on Linux just by one command. So let's start. Okay, open your terminal and run command sudo snap install sosumi. We want to install this application. Okay, it's downloaded and installed. Now run it by command sudo run sosumi. Wait to this application run, it will take some minutes. Then you will face to this screen and now you can install the macOS. Just you need to choose the first option, this boot macOS, install from macOS based system. Wait some second, it will take a long time. Then click on disk utility and continue. Here in the first drive, this one, erase the data on it. Make this clean. Click on erase and make a name for it, everything that you want. Okay, and click on erase. Here. Okay, it's done. Click on done. And we can now close this windows. Close disk utility. And now click on reinstall macOS. Click on continue. Then you need to wait a lot. Again, click on continue. And again, wait a long time. These are terms and agreement. Click on agree. If you want to install it, agree. And now choose this partition that we erase it and click on install. Okay, again, this will take a long time. I think this take for me for about 4 hours. It will restart and again boot it from macOS, install from macOS automatically. Okay, again wait for this, it will take a long time too, about 4 and 2 hours. And now it's installed. And just you need to run the macOS. Here it's run and this is the first pre-install steps. Choose your language, your region, for example here. Click on continue. Then here is about writing and speaking, data and privacy. Click on continue. Don't transfer my information, and here I don't want to set up an iCloud for now. Here there are the terms, agree with them, and here you need to create a username for yourself. As you know, I'm using IceLinux and I choose this username for myself, and we need to create a password too. So create a password too and click on continue. Okay, it's almost done and soonly we can use macOS. Okay, here you need to choose your look, dark theme or light theme or auto. I choose light. I like light more than dark. Okay, it's run, and now you can use macOS on your Linux. Honestly, it was so slow in my Linux. I don't know why. Okay, it's done, and please like and subscribe the channel if this video was helpful, and watch the other videos.